Snoring can be annoying, more likely for the bed partner than for the snorer. But is snoring really a cause for concern? Come on, let's take a look. Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Van Gurp, a dentist at Carolina Sleep Solutions in Charlotte, North Carolina. At Carolina Sleep Solutions, we make custom-made, medically approved dental devices to treat both obstructive sleep apnea and snoring. We're highly trained and will work with your physician and your medical insurance, including Medicare. If we can help you, please let us know. So let's jump into today's topic. I think it's safe to say that snoring can be pretty annoying. Maybe not as much to the person doing the snoring, but definitely for the bed partner who is often kept wide awake. In fact, sometimes it's bad enough to force the snorer to sleep in another room. To understand what snoring is, you need to get a sense as to what normally happens when you breathe. Normally when you breathe, air passes freely through the airway and into the lungs. During sleep, the muscles that help form and keep the airway open have a tendency to relax. For most people, even though the muscles relax, the airway stays open. There's still plenty of room and they breathe fine. But for the snorer, not only do the muscles relax, the airway significantly narrows. In the case of snoring, there's just enough room in your airway for some air to pass, but it causes a vibration of the tissues, particularly the soft palate, and that's the sound of snoring that you hear. But snoring is a medical concern on two fronts. First, research out of Australia showed that heavy snorers may be at risk for the development of a medical condition called carotid artery atherosclerosis, or hardening of certain arteries in the neck. So let me back up a bit. You have two carotid arteries. They're pretty major arteries, one on each side of the neck, and they supply blood to the brain. Atherosclerosis is the medical term for hardening of the arteries. Actually, what happens is the wall of the arteries thicken due to inflammation. Over time, the artery narrows, thus decreasing and potentially blocking blood flow and forming clots. Atherosclerosis is the leading cause of heart attacks and stroke. The worse you're snoring, the more likely you are to develop atherosclerosis. Now, loud and frequent snoring is also a warning sign for obstructive sleep apnea. You may want to check out our video on sleep apnea, but in a nutshell, if snoring refers to a partial collapse of the airway, obstructive sleep apnea refers to a complete collapse of the airway so that no air can pass through. These events occur repeatedly throughout the night and over time can put you at risk for some pretty serious medical problems, including heart attack and stroke. So for the person who is a pretty consistent snorer, there's a good likelihood that you have sleep apnea as well. If you have a concern about that, please call our office. Now, thus far, I've been talking about the person who consistently snores most, if not every night. What about the person who is just the occasional light snorer? It's not uncommon to snore if you have a cold or if you have enlarged tonsils. Your chances of snoring increase if you're overweight, drink alcohol, smoke, or take certain medications. Thus, to try and prevent snoring, consider avoiding alcohol in the evenings and try to keep your weight in check. Also, since snoring can be worse if you sleep on your back, you and your bed partner may get some relief if you sleep on your side. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for checking it out. Please hit the like button if you would, and definitely subscribe for more videos just like this one. If you'd like more information about Carolina Sleep Solutions, please check out our website at carolinasleepsolutions.net. And finally, if you suspect you or a loved one has sleep apnea or a problem with snoring, please share this video with them. If you have sleep apnea or if you're a heavy snorer, you really need to treat it. Until next time, at Carolina Sleep Solutions, we want you to breathe well so that you sleep well and be well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.